So about a year ago, year and a half, I was looking at going mobile with my home office, and one of my subscribers mentioned Starlink, and my reply back then was, well, Starlink was my best understanding was a fixed location, so therefore I could not go Starlink. Well, I have since learned in the past 2 weeks that Starlink has turned on roaming, and so you can set your home base up, and wherever you want to go, plug and play your dish, and it starts roaming, and voila, you have satellite internet. So, but I've been looking for about the past 6 months, and I never could get a Starlink in my home location because allocation was already met. Earliest I could get it was 2023. I heard a fellow camper got his setting up in the yard the other day, and I said, well, hey, how'd you do it? And so he searched areas like around Death Valley that still had allocation. I said, oh, okay. So I got to doing that, and found a place in Wyoming that had allocation. This was last Tuesday, I believe it was. So I got online, ordered it, voila, got the total amount. So that means I got it instead of doing this $99 deposit. So I got it, and it was shipped here, and it just arrived here today on Sunday. So about 5 days, I got my new Starlink, and we're fixing to open up and do an unboxing. So my home location is Wyoming, as I'm not guaranteed service anywhere but Wyoming. So we're going to get it out, do a little plug and play, see if she works. We've got a beautiful clear sky day, so hopefully it works. So that's how you do it, guys. You just get online, search various addresses, and when it pops up that you owe $560 or whatever it is, you are eligible to get Starlink, and it will be shipped out within 2 weeks. Mine took 6 days. So they're on it. So let's get her opened up and show you what we got. Sorry about that. I'm sitting here putting this video together, and I realized I mentioned my service area is Wyoming. I actually live in Tennessee, and I'm currently in Florida. So I told Starlink my service area is Wyoming, got allocation, had the dish shipped to Florida, hooked it up, working fine, plug and play. When I go home in about 3 weeks, I'll hook it up there, right there. So yep, roaming's turned on. Everything's working good. And oh, by the way, I've got it in the office now, and it's just a rocking. It is just fantastic. I can do 4K videos, YouTube, Netflix, stream, no lag, no buffering. Phenomenal. Back to the video. Okay, here we go. Ready? See what we got. I hope it's a new one, not a refurbished one. I've seen people on there's a Facebook group, Starlink Facebook group. People have been getting some used refurbished ones. Wish I could hold the camera up. Nice little cover sheet here. Right, there's the stand. A little weight to it. And here's the mother of truth. Oh yeah, she looks like I think she's a new one, boys. We're good. I hope anyway, right? And it has the new router. So it looks to be in good shape. So let's get her out and get her set up. I think it's pretty easy, just a plug and play type deal. Pretty much put this in the stand and she's good. Yep, look, there's a simple direction right there. That's all you get. So let's get this thing out of the box and get her opened up and turned on. We'll show you some comparison speeds with what we have now. We have a T-Mobile router, and we're getting like 2.3 download and about 12 upload. So we'll see what the Starlink does for us. Okay, so we're going to do, right now I'm on my Wi-Fi T-Mobile router, so I'm going to do a refresh here. We're going to test our speed real quick. And we're outside the Wi-Fi's inside, so it's not really going to be a complete fair comparison because right now the Starlink router is outside. So we got 2.5 on our download, and our upload speed is 6.9. So 2.5, can you see that? 2.5, and download is, upload speed is now 12, so it fluctuates. So we're going to try the Starlink. We just have it outside at the moment because I do have the app. You have to download the Starlink app. I downloaded it the other day. So it says just plug it in. So we're just going to give it a trial run out here. So all we're going to do is plug it in. And then I hit next on the app. So we're going to do this temporarily. I think if you look at the dish, you should see it. Just start moving. Hang on. Got to click next. Right, so if we plug next, connect to Wi-Fi. Allow while using app, okay. Connect to Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi settings. And what its name is. They don't tell you. Unable to join Starlink. Anyway, we're having technical difficulties. But I got it plugged up because the dish is now in the dead fish position. What they call dead fish position. And I've lost we are on Starlink. Let me give me a password set up. Okay, so we got it going. You see over here it's no longer a dead fish mode. It rotates and moves all by itself. So our speeds are, so here is the iPhone to internet speed, which is 201 megabits per second. Can you see that? And then the iPhone to router, whatever it means, is 663 megabytes per second, which is 286 megabytes upload. I'm not sure what that means. And then our iPhone internet, 200, I don't know. But anyway, so what it is, I run a speed test as well. I ran a speed test. You guys remember a while ago, I was pulling up to show you it was a 2.3. Now we're at 180. Let's go ahead and do a little refresh for you. Show you a live in action shot. See what it's doing now. This is the Starlink. We are outside. So there it's a 170. And our upload speed is going to plane out there about 21. So not too bad, right? Screen went dark. Nope. 18, 17. Upload speeds. So upload speed doesn't really matter a whole lot. Download speed is what I really need to run my office. Upload, only time I do is like when I want to upload this video. So not too shabby. So far, first impressions are pretty good with just the iPhone. So now I want to carry the thing inside the house and get the office going. So it's pretty much a plug and play from here on out because we got roaming turned on. So no more getting online and searching for areas that work here. Just plug it up. She roams, finds a dish, done. Easy peasy. So now we're completely mobile. But we move Sunday, go next campground, plug it in the wall, it'll find the dish, start working, voila, internet. So there you go, guys. Thank you. You have a good day and hope this helped. I'll put some pictures up on the screen here of our internet speeds so make it easier for you to view and see. And we're going to take it inside and get the office fully functional. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.